Well, if you wonder where I've been for the last little while, I've been working on my ambulance. Yes, the hood's up and it's been broken again. So I went for months getting the engine rebuilt, and now it failed on me a little while ago. I've replaced the fuel pump, I replaced the FICM relay, I've replaced the ignition switch, I've replaced the starter, I've replaced 2 batteries, and I'm just getting 2 new fuel filters because the other day I was saying, well, let me check to see if I have any water in my fuel, and I went to my drain, my lower filter, and I found all this black goo coming out. So I don't know what it was. I sent it to my mechanic. He said he's never seen anything like that before, so I have new filters that'll be here tomorrow, and I'm going to give it another try and see if I can get my rig on the road again. And I do have an announcement. I'm changing the name of my channel. This will be the last video on healthy adventuring and palliative care. My new name, I'm just changing the name, will be called Wayne's Ambo World, because I'm a Wayne. So I just thought that's going to be a better name. That came suggested from a friend, and maybe palliative care was just too much of a bad name for the ambulance, but I did name my ambulance before I started the YouTube channel. I actually did it after my heart attack, and so I drove my ambulance around for almost a year before I did a YouTube channel. So we're going to go from there. I'm going to start off new, and hopefully the new channel name, and with my engine running again, I'll be able to travel again soon. Let me know what you think of my new channel name and logo. I'm dying to find out.